Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Salesforce for a Sandbox environment step by step clearly. To register for a Salesforce Sandbox environment, start by visiting the Salesforce website. Navigate to the login page. If you already have a Salesforce account, enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up or Free Trial option. Fill in the required information to create a new account. Make sure to provide a valid email address for verification. Once you submit the sign-up form, check your email for a confirmation message. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verification, return to the Salesforce login page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Salesforce dashboard. Locate the setup icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the setup icon to access the setup menu. In the left-hand sidebar, find the Environments section. Under Environments, click on Sandboxes. Here, you will see a list of your current sandboxes, if any. To create a new sandbox, click on the New Sandbox button. A new page will appear with options for the sandbox type. Choose the type of sandbox that suits your needs, such as developer or partial copy. Fill in the required information for the sandbox, including name and description. After completing the form, click the Create button to initiate the sandbox creation process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the sandbox is being created. It may take a few minutes for the sandbox to be ready. Once the sandbox is ready, you will receive an email notification. Follow the instructions in the email to access your newly created sandbox environment. Log in using your Salesforce credentials just like you would for your main account. After logging in, you can begin using your sandbox for testing and development purposes. Remember to regularly refresh your sandbox to keep it up to date with your production data. Enjoy exploring your new Salesforce Sandbox environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.